In this video, I will be introducing to you the AR makeup effects for YouCan Makeup and also for YouCan for Business. So the makeup effects will include makeup categories like eyeliner, eyeshadow, blush, contour, and more. And I will be also showing you effects such as sunglasses, glasses, accessories, and more. So as you can see, we have a lot of different looks that we provide to our users. So I will be trying on a different couple looks for you. So you can see that as I move my face around, the makeup that we have, it sticks really closely to the face. So we have a lot of different kind of looks. And we also have these sort of Halloween style. And we use the technology called face paint. And you can see, as I move my face, it sticks very closely to my face. Just going to show you a couple of different designs. And we also have accessories as well. So these are glasses. So as you can see, as I move my face around, you can see the reflection in the glasses. Okay. And we also have headbands as well. We also have a lot of different looks that we work with influencers. So these are the looks that we created working with different influencers on the internet. And we also work with brands to create different looks as well. And we could also create looks that combines the different accessories and also a live frame. So moving on to different types of makeup categories that we support. So first of all is foundation. So you can see that we could have different types of colors, and you could compare the before-after of trying on a foundation shade. And also for blush as well, we have a lot of different colors that you could try on. And also the different placement or patterns of where the blush is displayed on the face. Okay, and also for lip color, we currently support not only the different colors, but also up to 7 different textures. So we strive to make the AR makeup to be as close to the actual makeup application as possible. So as you can see, as we try the different lip color textures, it mimics the actual product as it is applied on the face. So for example, I'm using the gloss one. You can see it's very glossy. And the shimmer, you could tell that it has shimmer particles, and for metallic, the texture is metallic. And we offer a lot of different parameters for brands to control how they want the color and the actual product to be applied on the face. So for example, like shimmer, brands could control the shimmer size, the shimmer density, the shimmer color, and also the same for metallic as well. And for the textures metallic and holographic, we actually created them based on the data that brands have provided us. We do have the capability to create new textures that are out on the market as long as data is provided to us for R&D team to develop. So up next is eyeliners. So for eyeliner as well, we also have different colors that you could try on and also different patterns. So you can see that these are different ways to apply the eyeliner in the different colors. And of course, brands could also let us know the desired eyeliner pattern that they want, and we could create it for them. And also, they could decide the different colors that they want to apply based on their products. Okay. And next are eyelashes. So eyelashes, we have a lot of different patterns as well. So natural or more dramatic look. We have a lot of different patterns for brands to choose, and also the different colors as well. Next up is eyeshadow. Brands could create their eyeshadow palettes on our Perfect Console and then choose the different colors that they want to create an eyeshadow look. So, for example, they could choose different colors and also different patterns of how they want the eyeshadow to be applied. And for the patterns, we support from 1 color up to 5 different colors. Okay. And for the eyeshadow texture, we support no shimmer, which is the effect you see now, and also with shimmer. So you can see as I blink, you can see the shimmer texture. So next are eyebrows. So we have a lot of different patterns of eyebrows for brands and users to choose. And as you can see, as I move my face, it follows my face very closely. It's very natural. Okay. And I could also try on the different colors. So brands could pick the different colors or make their own based on the colors of their products. So next up are eye colors. So these are to mimic the contact lenses. So you can see that we have a lot of different designs of the contact lens. And we could also create the design based on your product. And also we could change the different colors of the contact lens. Okay, next are contour and highlight. So for contour, we have different color combinations that we offer to the user. And brands could also set their own color combinations on the Perfect Console. And you could also decide the different patterns of how you want to contour the face. And also the same for highlights. So we have a lot of different colors that you could choose to set as your highlight, and brands could always create their own, and also the different highlight patterns. Okay. And so you can see that you can see the difference of me applied makeup and then without the makeup. Okay, so this is the demo for the AI makeup try-on for You Can Makeup.